If we're not pushing more, that's fine.
We're not gonna be. I hate doing it this way. Oh, we might be.
Yep.
Hey, there you go.
Cool. There's eastbound. I wonder why.
Heavy.
Maybe it's long, so I have to be careful.
Looks like Don, maybe.
They look like him. What is today?
Wednesday.
Oh, he's probably on the A482.
Okay.
This is the A482.
Okay.
It looked like him, didn't it?
I guess. I'm not sure. I think kind of.
Was there a beard or?
Yeah, the goatee is all white with white hair.
Oh. He saw me on Monday.
Yeah.
Remember that local at Stop in Richmond? That was Don. Was he chubby?
I couldn't tell. He's sitting down.
Oh. Don's chubby.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
That's alright. I think Canada's a different country.
Yep.
And Canada versus the westbound.
No.
Eastbound? Oh.
It doesn't matter. Countries, the compass is still the same.
Oh, okay. Sometimes that signal will go green red right after the eastbound passes.
Sometimes.
You remember we seen it before one time? And
Yep.
the one we saw the other day have 189 cars.
Yeah.
The Richmond one, you remember by the laundromat?
Yeah.
Northbound did.
Look. Oh, it was your mom.
Huh?
I thought it was your mom.
Mom's behind us?
No.
You thought she was?
Yeah.
Oh, you thought she was on the side?
Yeah.
No. Pretty long.
And slow.
Huh?
And slow.
Yeah. Maybe it's going slow because it's going to get to the tunnel.
It'll probably go straight through.
You think that small is a good train to pull on, or?
There's 3 engines.
Oh. If it was just that one engine, it wouldn't be as good?
Probably wouldn't move.
Oh. It'll definitely go straight through with yellow red on
Yeah.
and the other one was working. Moving cars around in the yard, you know.
I don't know what the hell that horn was.
Huh?
That might be your mom.
Uh,
It looks like your mom's car.
behind us?
Over there.
Mom's right in front of us?
Looks like she's on that side road.
Is that Mom?
I don't know. It's the same kind of car. It could be. Same wheels. Oh, look, the end of it.
Yeah.
Signal's still red.
Huh?
It's still red. That ain't your mom?
Is it Mom?
Nope. They got something hanging.